beyond Dillant-Hopkins Airport is Mount Monadnock, one of the most climbed mountains in the world. We're heading south today, departing runway 20. Hey guys, welcome to Wednesdays with Alex. We're here in Keene, departing runway 20, heading back to Hartford. In this episode, we're going to watch this departure, check out the scenery leaving Keene, and then I'm also going to show you different parts along the way where we're up at 6,500 feet, flying amongst the clouds, heading back to Hartford. So Mark Kelly's pilot in command. I'm in the right seat, enjoying the view. You're enjoying the view from under the wing cam and the cockpit camera. I just want to touch on this video today is sponsored by me, Alpha Kilo Warrior Gear. I've been working on my online shop now for about 3 weeks now. So I finally got some gear that I want to share with you guys. One of the things I want to share with you is a new coffee mug, Alpha Kilo Warrior coffee mug. And on the back hand side, we got Hartford-Brainard. That's kind of cool. That's going to be available soon. And I also got a Alpha Kilo Warrior cap. It's embroidered, it's really cool. And then a brand new Alpha Kilo Warrior 100% cotton shirt that I'm wearing right now. And on the back side, I'll turn around here, Hartford-Brainard, where all the magic happens. So if you're interested, leave me a comment below, either hat, mug, or shirt. Just trying to get an idea how much stuff I should buy, how much stock I should keep in the store. Kind of starting off, I don't want to buy tons of stuff and nobody's going to buy it, so leave me a comment. Enjoy the show.
Mountains in the sky. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Holy shit. Contrast. Looks so fake, Mark. Amazing. I know. It's like solid. Anytime I come up here and see something like this, I can't believe I'm seeing it. There's a hole there. Oh, it's beautiful. That's art, man. Bob Ross would love this. Remember that guy? Bob Ross, the Afro? Okay, yep. Painter guy.
Departure, jet 779, 2,400 climbing 4,000, turning heading 030.
Jet 779, Bravo, departure to contact climbing team 10,000.
Climb 10.
A little bit of movie history. Keene was the filming location for Jumanji in 1995. The downtown was transformed for several scenes. And as we touched on earlier, Keene is definitely an outdoor adventure hub. Just a short drive or a quick flyby away is Mount Monadnock, one of the most climbed mountains in the world. Hikers enjoy photography and nature. Lovers flock here in the summertime. It's actually also a perfect time to plug Keene's old-fashioned ice cream stands because of this summer heat. So check out the Frisky Cow Gelato or the Walpo Creamery. Both serve up small local batch, locally loved treats. And finally, if you're into trees, and who isn't, Keene is nicknamed the Elm City due to its abundance of majestic elm trees, many of which still line its neighborhoods. Thanks for spending some time with me. Enjoy this approach into Hartford. Let's rate Mark's landing. I love reading your comments on my videos, and thank you for taking the time to hit that like button. I really appreciate it. They definitely help the video and my channel.
Archer 33121, 4 miles out, on a 4 mile file for 20.
Archer 33121, Windcom, runway 20, clear to land.
Clear land 20, 121.
Okay, we're on speed, we're on center line, we're on glide slope. short final, full laps.